In this video, I got a free recording template and some presets for you for FL Studio. But let me get something clear first. The whole purpose of me even making presets in the first place is because people were selling the presets and templates at a stupid high rate, and they was promising y'all was gonna get like amazing results and shit. So my whole thought process was, hey, let me make something so people can record, right? So they can have money for other things, right? So they can actually focus on what's important. But a lot of people only want me to make presets, and I'm not gonna only make vocal presets, bro. My job here is to help artists become better artists, learn how to record, give them advice, tips, tricks, shit to look at, different perspectives, just overall be better artists. This is the template here. It's simple. We have a record chat. We got Vox, Vox punch, Vox doubles, Vox libs, Vox 2 punch, Vox libs. On the record chat, we got a picture. This is the free auto-tune that's in FL Studio. I got a limiter. We got a multi-band compressor. We got a Maximus. And if I want a brighter vocal to record with, I just hit this right here. And all it is a little EQ. And as you see, those are the drag and drops for me to record and drop whatever I'm recording. And then we go over here to my reverb. So I have a reverb 2 here on this. I have a 4th delay here. And I got this little filter on the little telephone shit right here. And then I got this chorus effect right here. Just very simple, something to start with. So you could take this and manipulate this into whatever you need it to be. It's straightforward, right? So watch this. So I'm gonna show you what it sounds like real quick. So we can go over here. I'll turn it on. And yeah, let me make it work on my scenes. So yeah.
The money keep calling, I gotta go get it. Yeah, money keep calling, I gotta go get it. Yeah, money keep calling, I gotta go get it. Yeah, money keep calling, I gotta go get it. Yeah.
Just simple real quick, just to see what it sounds like. Boom, bring it out. Play it. Let's get raw. Play it.
Yeah. The money keep calling, I gotta go get it. Yeah, money keep calling, I gotta go get it. Yeah, money keep calling, I gotta go get it. Yeah, money keep calling, I gotta go get it. Yeah.
Let's get raw.
Yeah. The money keep calling, I gotta go get it. Yeah, money keep calling, I gotta go get it. Yeah, money keep calling, I gotta go get it. Yeah, money keep calling, I gotta go get it. Yeah.
Just something real quick. Alright, so let me go back over here. Alright, then we're gonna record some more. Just click right here.
Money keep calling, I gotta go get it. Yeah, money keep calling, I gotta go get it. Yeah, random racks over my lonely. Yeah, random racks over my lonely. Yeah, random racks over my lonely. Random racks over my lonely. Yeah.
So I can put that microphone down. Alright, so I don't even know where I was holding that microphone. So just simple, bring it down. It's like that.
Yeah, random racks over my lonely. 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 Random racks over my lonely.
So like we got it right there. So let's see.
Random racks over my lonely.
Yeah. Alright, so and the beautiful thing about being able to do that like that, so like now on these, we're not married to anything specifically. All we did was record through a limiter, multi-band, and the de-esser. Nothing really going crazy. So our vocals are consistent, and now we can pretty much mix on these however we choose. So it's like we see this is Vox right there. So like we got just, so let's say on Vox doubles, so we want to do telephone effect on those right there. So we can go over here.
Yeah, random racks over my lonely. Random racks over my lonely. Random racks over my lonely. Random racks over my.
So like that's it.
Yeah, random racks over my lonely.
Alright, so let's record. Now I want to record. So here we go.
Yeah, random racks over my lonely. Yeah, random racks over my lonely. Yeah, random racks.
Like yeah, so like
yeah, random racks over my lonely. Random racks over my
Alright, so like now we need reverb on that right a little bit, so we just send it to reverb, right? So like we need to turn down. Alright, so yeah, now we can go in and mix and do what we need to do. So if we need a pan, we can add a pan to it. Completely up to how we want to do it, right? So like that's crazy. That's like we ain't gonna like it just depends on how we want to do that. So now like we could do that and the same thing over here. Let's say like if we want to do something on the punch, like we punched in right here. So let's say alright. So as far as the punch, let's say we want to add another send right here. So we just go over here and add whatever we want to add to it. So we could do the pitch. Let's add the pitch one. So what is it? That pitch. Where you at? Alright, so let's say we go over here. Let's say we want to add this right here. So we just make sure. So let's just bring it down, bring the format down. So like this. So you can be like, deep vibes, boom, and then it's on the punch. So boom. Verb on it. Watch this. So it's just something simple. Like it's nothing crazy. Let's get raw. Watch this.
Yeah. The money keep calling, I gotta go get it. Yeah. Money keep calling, I gotta go get it. Yeah, money keep calling, I gotta go get it. Yeah, money keep calling, I gotta go get it. Yeah, ain't no racks go by my lonely. Yeah, no racks go by my lonely. Yeah, ain't no racks go by my lonely. Ain't no racks go by my lonely. Yeah.
Simple. We can do whatever we want to do. Whatever we want to do, we can do it in here. So let's say I finna go back. Let's see. We can do whatever. Like we literally can do whatever. Like whatever we want to do. We're just recording. So this is my record track. These were empty, and I got the reverb scenes. If I want to add to it, I can just add on to it. If you got presets from other YouTubers, bought them off TikTok, Instagram, whatever. So let's say you like a preset, you say the presets, you can just drag to drop your mix of presets within the template. Like it's not even that crazy. Like you can just do whatever you want to do. So simple, like boom, like that. So like this is how it's rocking. So like example, what's this? So example, so that's just shit right. So let's see. I like this preset, right? So yeah. Alright, so let's say I like this preset right here. Let's say I want some of these effects that's on the Kobe one, right? It's just simple. We just drag it. So let's say boom, Just drag that shit over here. Boom, put it over here. It's just that simple. Like whatever we like, we can just take it and put it somewhere else. It's completely up there. Like if you want this delay, so I like the delay that this one has. So boom, save preset. Oh shit. So it's saying like I like the delay, right? So boom, I like this delay. I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna put it right here. So boom, I have that same delay here, and I can be like, okay, Kobe 8 delay. Boom. So now I got that in there. So now I know what preset that came from, the one that I like, you know. So boom, we got it. We gotta go. Right, just that simple. Change the color. Boom. Now everything's in order. If we don't want that, guess what we do? Hit reset. Boom. Good to go. Boom. That's reset. We good to go.